What's poppin', y'all? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a brand new restock video. I am super hyped for this one because we are restocking only the big three, but in a special way because today is opposite day in the unicorn slime shop. Yes, I know it's not actually opposite day because that is a real day and it's not today, but it's just something we're doing for the shop, so lit. These slimes are super exclusive because we're probably not going to do this again, FYI, so I really hope you have a chance to snatch, and I'm really excited. We're actually opening the shop a little bit early at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time just because all we're stocking is the big three. So, getting on with the slime, this is, of course, Chanel number 2, I think. What? No, it's Chanel number 2. It just looks a little bit different and she smells a little bit different as well. So this is the same exact thick and glossy texture. This is my best seller. However, it is actually scented like Mud Mask, but we did add a little bit of a different kind of kick to Mud Mask this week. We added in some peach and ginger tea scent in there just to make it smell really nice, and it smells so good. I love it so much. Super thick and glossy, and it just is like a combination of the best of both worlds from Mud Mask and Chanel number 2. Next up, we have Baja Blast, I think. This one looks like Baja Blast, kind of, but it is in the iconic pale pink color that Chanel is known for, and it's also scented like Chanel. Bubblicious bubblegum. It's really nice. This is actually a hybrid texture. Baja Blast comes in, and it is a hybrid between a cloud dough and a clear like cloud slime or an icy slime. It's just really nice. I love it so much, and I didn't think that I would love it as much as I do with the bubblegum scent. It's actually really nice. It's like a bubblegum freeze. And lastly, we have Mud Mask, ? Because this one here is super fun. This is a Baja Blast scented, so it smells just like Baja Blast, but it looks like Mud Mask. The only difference is the color. The color is the iconic Baja Blast color, blue, green, tealish kind of color. But it still smells really good like Mountain Dew Baja Blast with a little bit of tropical hints in there. It's amazing. This one here is also another cloud kind of hybrid slime between a cloud cream and a butter slime. It's really nice, sizzly, spreadable, and holdable. Just really nice. Alrighty, y'all, well, that was pretty much it for this restock video. I really hope you all enjoyed this fun little idea that I had for the opposite day slimes. I just think it's pretty cool, and it's really cool if you wanted like the big three, but you wanted to try out a different texture as well. I think this would be perfect for you, so I really hope you enjoy it. The shop is open now, so make sure you head down to the description box below or www.unicornslime.com to snatch. Thank you so much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!